Laba. In English, bed. Laba. Telefish. Telefish is a television. These two words are Irish word. Laba, telefish. Telefish is a television. Sloan, goodbye. Sloan pronounced as Sloan. Laba, laba. Kula-bula, kula-bula, kula-bula. Scale, scale. Story in English. Scale in Irish. Scale, S-H-K-A-Y-L. This is the pronunciation of scale. Plomos, 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 P-L-A-M-A-S. Plomos means flattery in English, pambobola in Tagalog. Plomos means flattery o pambobola, maraming sinasabi, flattery. Sosta, satisfied and happy. Sosta pronounced as sauce. Sosta. Gansy, 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 jumper, jumper. Bulabus, bulabus. Congratulations. Bulabus, congratulations. Bulabubas or bulabos. Bulabos, congratulations. Maria, Maria, Maria means as if. Maria, Maria, as if. Maria, Maria. Cowheel, cowheel. This Irish word, where is the meaning in English? Cowheel, C-A-pada, letter B, H-F-U-I-L. Cowheel, where is? Kentomi, C-I-pada N-T hyphen A-M space I-pada. What time is it? Kentomi, Kentomi.